Hello guys, and welcome to the Vincelli channel. So today we have got the new addition to the Kia Picanto. Something new is going in, and it's from Sinosmart, and it's their new top of the range touchscreen radio with DAB, sat nav, reversing camera, all a bit of a change for the standard unit that's in these. All you get is a FM radio, no reversing camera, no DAB, no internet connectivity, no satellite navigation. This is going to have it all, plus more. So if you need more information, contact me direct on YouTube, and watch the rest of the video to see the install. So stay tuned, guys. So here we are in the first bit of the install. So we've got the old fascia out. It was a little bit tight, not as tight as people are saying. Maybe it's just this unit, but this is the gap that we're left with. Sinosmart send you with a wiring loom. You just plug your two adapters in the back, and then this just goes into the back of the radio. You've got your FM antenna, which also still works. Carrying on with the install now. I'll catch up with you in a bit with an update. Okay, and we are at the end of the install on the Kia Picanto. So all went pretty smoothly. Just one issue which has yet to rectify. They've Sinosmart sent the wrong camera for the rear light number plate, so the bulb doesn't actually fit in the holder, but that will get sorted in a couple of days. Things happen like that, they'll sort it, not a problem. So this is the view of the new Sinosmart fitted in the Kia Picanto. Okay, as you can see, it's updated it to the 21st century, and yeah, it's pretty cool. All touchscreen, very, very responsive, as you can see. And you've got your DAB radio. I won't actually play the music because I'll get told off via YouTube, as we know, for copyright. Yeah, all went really nice. Vents all still work, heat's coming out, and all the usual. Yeah, very, very happy. If people are interested in this, please drop me a message below, or search for me on YouTube and message me on Facebook, and message me via Facebook. My name's Darren Vincelli. Yeah, if you contact me, and I have the details of the manufacturers, they know me extremely well, and if you order through me, you'll get a free reversing camera, and I promise you it'll be the correct one, free of charge for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos, and the next install on whatever car we choose to do next. Thanks, guys.
And for the next 4 days, I'm building my shelters, camping, catching my dinner, exploring glaciers, and having a great time. Come along for the ride. It's going to be a great video.
Okay, just a quick update on the video on the Kia Picanto. I forgot to show you guys. Yes, you do get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. As you can see, you've got all your apps on there, and whatever else is on your phone. All working really, really smoothly, really well. It is a little bit glitchy at the moment because I'm recording on the same camera as is connected to my phone, so it's the phone that's lagging, not the actual system, because I'm recording at the same time as it connected to CarPlay. But yeah, it is faultless. It's absolutely brilliant. Like I say, you've got Waze, you've got your music that's on there on your phone. Yeah, it's brilliant. Please like and subscribe.